So in this video, you'll learn how to enter and exit maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to entering maintenance mode is to open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you're then going to scroll and select the option Device Care. Under Device Care, you're going to look for Maintenance Mode and you're going to tap on it. From here, the next step in order for you to enter maintenance mode is to just tap on the option Turn On. Bear in mind that you will be given a list of information that you will need to read through before entering maintenance mode. For example, how it keeps you safe and what happens when you turn it off, as well as the option of you backing up your data in case of any issues so you can easily restore it. So you have the temporary cloud backup or you have the external storage backup. Once you've read through the information and you've understood what's going to go on, then just going to tap on Turn On and then confirm that you wish to turn it on. You'll also be prompted to create a log so that you can keep track of what exactly is going to happen in maintenance mode, or you can just choose to deselect it and just continue as it is. So it's up to you to make your choice. Then when you're happy with your choices, you can just tap on Restart, enter in your current PIN, password, or pattern. If you wish to enable maintenance mode and you don't have a PIN, password, or pattern, you will be prompted to create one so that you can be able to verify your identity whenever you want to exit maintenance mode. So go ahead and just enter it in, and then simply wait for your tablet to enter maintenance mode. And then, once you've successfully switched to maintenance mode, you'll even notice a tag at the bottom left corner of your screen saying maintenance mode, which means you've successfully switched to it. So now, if there's anything that needed to be fixed, you can go ahead and have it fixed while knowing that all your data is safely secure with no one being able to access it. You'll even notice when someone goes to open the gallery app, there's no images that can be seen. You'll notice when you go to the phone app, you can see your recents as well as contacts are not listed, which means that everything is successfully hidden and now you can give your tablet up for maintenance. And so once you're ready to exit maintenance mode, what you're going to do is just navigate to settings. And then once you're in settings, you're going to scroll down until you find the option device care. And then under device care, you're going to tap on maintenance mode. From here, you're going to select exit, and then you're going to confirm the restart by entering in your PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. So go ahead and enter it in, and then simply wait for your tablet to exit maintenance mode. Once you've exited maintenance mode, you can now see even the tag has successfully disappeared, and all the customizations that had previously disappeared when you're in maintenance mode have been successfully restored. So you can go ahead and unlock your tablet and continue using it after having successfully exited maintenance mode. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.